he's just so full of beans.
You're a little late with that text, son.
I know. Hey, but Leanne, I have a...
Good job, Lisa.
Beer?
Yeah, I have a question. Does that really fall under the groom's daily duties?
Yeah.
Going to pick beer up?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes. I did it all the time when I groomed.
See,
Every day.
I'm just learning all the rules. Yeah.
And Katrina.
After I was mad, actually stopped.
9-2.
How was the last good count?
Now fell off.
Oh, off with who?
Off Peter, bareback. She's like, she's laughing before she even hits the ground. She's laughing too hard to get up. She's like, well, you're obviously not hurt.
She just slide off?
Yeah, I just kind of slid off the side. She thought it was hilarious though, so. Ooh. Shoulders back. Boy. Well, this is so even, Teresa. They keep looking.
Good job, Jen.
Lotus is here. I just texted Jessica Ross.
Yeah, she heard them being announced.
11 rounds to go.
Is that the last jump?
Yeah.
Holy crow, that's excellent.
Okay, in we go there. Oh, actually, no, we don't. Is she all right?
I don't know if the time.
Yeah, no, she's fine. Okay. Okay, in we go there, madam.
Good, you jumped around clean, but we had time fault.
Oh, shoot.
That's okay.
Good job, Adam.